अल्पवयीन चलयेचेर बलात्कार केल्ल्या कथित प्रकरणात सांताक्रूजचे आमदार बाबूश मोन्सेरात हांका शुक्रारा न्यायालयान 3 दिसांची कादय फर्मायल्या। तशेंच शुक्रारा अटक केल्ल्या पीडित चलयेच्या आवयकय 3 दिसांची कादय फर्मायल्या। सोमारा हे दोगांकय परत एक फावट न्यायालया मुखार हाजीर रावपाचो आदेश दिला। गुन्यांव निवारण विभागाच्या पुलिसांनी बिरेस्तारा बाबूश मोन्सेरात आनी पीडित चलयेच्या आवय संबंधान बालहक कायदो आनी तस्करी कायदो कलमा खाला गुन्यांव नोंद केल्यात। ह्या प्रकरणाची खोलायेन सविस्तरपणान तपासणी करपाक पुलिसांनी न्यायालयाकडेन 10 दिसांची मुदत मागल्या। बाबूश मोन्सेराता तर्फे ॲडव्होकेट राजू गोम्स हांणी बाजू मांडल्या। आमदार बाबूश रिमांडा खातीर न्यायालया मुखार हाजीर रावपाचे आसात ही बातमी समजल्या उपरांत
The police had sought 10 days police custody remand. The court has remanded him to 3 days police custody. We submitted before the court that we have no objection to the remand because our intention is to cooperate with the investigation, and that is why we have surrendered voluntarily to the investigation agency. Now, but we, as I said, I have submitted before the court that we expected that the investigation would be fair, but it doesn't appear to be so right now. They are doing a lot of mischief in the investigation. They are manipulating a lot of things in the investigation, which I would reveal during in the course of time, but not as of now. And we find that the investigation is tainted. It is not proceeding on the right lines. And one of the factors which shows that is the way they have been disclosing information to the media, to the public, sensitive information, even statements made by the girl have been printed in the media, which ought not to have been done. And it has been done only because the statements have been divulged by the investigating officer to some journalist. So this is not expected. There's the most important thing is there's a Bombay High Court ruling to this aspect, which says that an investigation should be done in secrecy. There is no need for public to know what sort of investigation is going on. The public will come to know when the charge sheet is eventually filed and the trial starts.
आमदार बाबूश मोन्सेराताच्या समर्थकांनी न्यायालयाबाहेर बरीच गर्दी केली। शुक्रारा न्यायालयाच्या परिसरात कडक पोलीस बंदोबस्त आशिल्ले। सांजेच्या 5 वरांचेर बाबूश मोन्सेरात हांका न्यायालयात हाडले। उपरांत 6 वरांचेर बाबूश आनी पीडित चलयेच्या आवयक न्यायालया मुखार हाजीर केल्या उपरांत न्यायालयान तांकां 3 दिसांची कादय फर्मायली। ह्या प्रकरणांतली फरार आशिल्ली तिसरी दुबावीत रोजी फेरूज शेनवारा क्रायम ब्रांचाक शरण आयली। रोजी हिणे मध्यस्थ घेवन आमदार बाबूश आनी पीडित चलयेच्या आवय मदीं विक्री प्रकरणात करार केल्लो। आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।